Hello everybody, this is HMVHD and in this video I am gonna show you how to import any ringtone from your Files, Documents app and Music library directly onto your iPhone without needing any jailbreak, computer or laptop. Before we begin, I'd appreciate if you subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell. Alright, let's get started. First thing you should do is go to the App Store and download GarageBand. For your record, GarageBand is made by Apple and it is absolutely free. It is about 1.6 GB, and after downloading GarageBand, you can download Documents, File Hub and ES File Explorer for saving your music. After that, go to the app, GarageBand and open it. You should look for audio recorder. Then click on it, and in this section on the top left, you should tap on this button, kind of break shape. And then go ahead and click on this loop circle. And it is gonna give you an option to select your favorite music or ringtone from your music library or your files on your device. Now here we have two options. The first one is for Apple Music. If you have Apple Music account, you can do edit here in this tab, but I don't. So click the files and then click on browse items from the Files app. And here in this part, if you have already downloaded this app like Files Hub, Documents and so on, you can directly open your files here from your app. Because I have saved my ringtones here on Documents, I click on it and then I have created this folder for my ringtone. So click on it and here you can select your music or ringtone. So once you select the song, here you tap and hold it and then drag it and drop it just like this. Import your song just like that. Now you can tap and hold it to move it to the beginning. So make sure you move it to the beginning. Now you press play. I can't press play due to copyright of the song. But press play and select the section of the song you want as a ringtone. For your record, if you tap on it, it gives you these options. In case you choose the wrong song, you can select or you can delete or split it. And if you hold the corner, you can drag in and out like this. As you can see, here in this part on the left side, you can pull this out and rise and enhance the final value. Usually ringtones are less than 10 seconds. So if you want to adjust the second, tap on the ringtone, move it to the beginning and make it 6, 7 or 8 seconds. Once you have done this part, just click on the top left corner, the arrow right there, and click on my song and it is gonna save it. As you can see, this is my song, so tap on it and hold it. It is gonna ask you if you want to import or export it right here. Go and click the Share tab and add it as a ringtone. Once you add it as a ringtone, here you can give a particular name to the song and then click on export and OK. Now I give it AAA and export it. Then tap on OK and exit from the app. Now go to the setting, go to sound and taptics. Go to ringtone. As you can see, AAA is the song that I created. As you can see, creating a ringtone is very simple without iTunes, laptop or even jailbreak. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, drop the comment down below the video. Thank you.